Umberger all the way out toward the line and then swings it back down low. Bounces side of the net. Khudobin to jab it. Now reach centers. Couturier, a couple cracks at it. Could now third try. He scores! Who leads this team in points. One of 6 defensemen in the NHL to share or have the lead. Here's Voracek moving up for the shot. Khudobin to save the rebound. And the save again by Khudobin. Shot does from Brad Malone. Lawton will move it ahead to Brayden Schenn. His pass to Simmons. All kinds of room. He'll wide. Fire and score! Schultz +3 the other night. Puck across ice. Now here's Umberger after it. Trying to fight through the checking of Sekera. One hands it off the side of the net. Gets it back. Tried to center, but down Michael Wiles. That one wide. And that bounces all the way out toward the circle. McLevitt reaching for it. Flyers have it now. That pass intercepted. McDonald did not get it through. McClement takes it. Winds and fires. Save made Mason. Now the Flyers zig when there was supposed to be a zag, I guess. Right?
And near the end of the shift for Claude Giroux, so there was some hesitation whether or not he was going to stay on the ice there, and they just got crossed up.
Grossman walks in. His shot batted away by Khudobin.
Off the ice to make sure there's not too many men on the ice penalty from the Flyers.
Yeah, as we're watching the game from up here, you forget about all that communication that's going on. Reed backhands that one. It deflects and is snared. It's the kind of season it's been for Stahl. We mentioned earlier. Just 6 goals on the year. Here he is swooping it all the way around. He'll score right there. Eric Stahl showing that he's still got some gas in his tank. Giroux to Voracek. On the other side, and out it goes. And they'll get it set up as Schenn gives to Giroux. Now Simmons to Voracek. He scores! Tic-tac-toe! And you know he wanted to.
Oh, yeah.
He wanted to swing. And duel with Malone. There's Coburn. Ice opening up for him. The shot! Save! Khudobin turns away from Grossman and gets it back out toward the point. Sekera checked by Schenn, who tips it to Giroux. Giroux now has Schenn joining on the rush. The pass back to him. Brayden Schenn. The shot! Save! Rebound sat in the blue paint. But the Canes able to clear it out of harm's way. 5 seconds remaining in the concurrent minors. The outlet to Schenn. And the younger of the Schenn brothers with a pass to Lawton. Cutting in the shot. He scores! Got Lawton! Muck for it again. Back in the offensive zone. And Voracek got it to Giroux. Back to Voracek. Voracek then to Giroux. The shot goes to Raffl, who scores! What passing by this line. Raffl gets the payoff. Checked by Simmons. Skinner trying to get away from Giroux. Could not. Giroux set it out to center. Got a little too much on that. He was trying to spring the Flyers in a 2-on-1, but the Canes get the puck instead. Harrison across ice. Dwyer's shot off the glove of Mason. And in his 700th NHL game on Thursday night, he has yet to play in a playoff game. 700 regular season games. That's the most of any active player. There's an angle shot off the post. That to Raffl, but it was deflected away. And now the outlet pass from Rask. And that's tipped away. Grossman gets it back. He spots Raffl at the line. Raffl to Giroux. Quickly to Voracek. The shot. Khudobin got across to make the save. Kinds of room. Waits and fires. That one's deflected wide. And Rask gets control and just hoists it out to the neutral zone. That one comes to a stop and perfectly for Gerby. Gerby gets in the shot. Save Mason, and he's able to cover. Schenn finds it. Schenn tried to pass. That was blocked. And the Canes move back. Wojciech chased by Streit. Flops. And the puck bounces toward the slot. The shot. Save Mason, and he's got it. And Lyles comes in after. Lyles acquired from the Maple Leafs right at the Winter Classic last year. To Carolina. Last shot there. Save Mason. Rebound right out in front. And a backhander by Terry is stopped. And now Jordan is checked. The Flyers buzzing. Here's Couturier. Couturier. Little head fake. Got it back out. Luke Schenn a shot, and that's handled by Khudobin. Canes in with one last rush here. There's a shot that goes high and wide. Out the other side. And that'll do it. Make it 5 consecutive games with points for the Flyers.